We've raised 3 issues that we should look into in what happened in Soweto this time around. Look into 2 issues. The first thing is that whether when you loot and go to shops owned by foreign nationals, whether that is really driven by poverty or by something else. And as a result of our analysis, there we make a big distinction between xenophobia and Afrophobia, because every time you open SAFM in the morning, there is a chap called Janus, a name similar to the person who killed Chris, who always speaks in a strange accent. Nobody chases him because he happened to have a better looking complexion. A person who is chased everywhere, again distorted last week, and who will be called El Kwere will only be from Africa. And that is Afrophobia. And it reflects hating of our own and lack of respect of our own. And what we should be doing is to educate our people more about South Africa, because South Africa sometimes say South Africa and Africa. South Africa must actually be educated to appreciate the fact that we are part of Africa. The second threat that came out of that area was when 11 people were arrested in possession of unlicensed firearms. 10 of them were foreign nationals. Okay? Out of 11, 10 were foreign nationals. That is a threat, and we should deal with it, look into it, understand it. You must also never deny that poverty does impact on behavior.